We pre-cleaned the car. First step is going to be just kind of rough lay it into place, lining up your edges on the sides. And with this particular pattern, it shouldn't be a whole lot of shrink into place. There's multiple squeegees that you can use. One of the best overall squeegees is the green squeegee. They come in an 18-inch length and you can cut them to size. I like them real small like this, simply because it enables you to work around a little tighter spots. Your first tack line is going to be right in the center of the paint, and you work top to bottom and kind of created a tack line here until you kind of get to this area of the car that's got the bump in it. And with paint protection, you kind of let the paint protection fall where it wants to. And I've got a good, probably an 1/8 of an inch gap on that side. And as I pull, it's going to start pulling these fingers out of the way. And we'll come back and do a final squeegee on that side, just to get it tacked into place. Come back over, getting my tack line, getting everything straight. Get you a paper towel or a microfiber towel. If you're using a paper towel, double them up several times. That way it's going to hold a lot tighter and more secure. I like using a 3M gold card simply because it's a little softer and it's not going to be as damaging. And all you're doing here is going over your edges and tacking everything down. Any little finger that may show up, you can just hold with the paper towel over the one little certain area and hold it for about 30 seconds, and it'll make that finger lay. Depending on the amount of soap and water you put into your water bottle is going to determine your dry time. Typically, if you are familiar with window film, typically you're going to put a couple extra drops additional into your paint protection of your slip solution to make it dry or to make it slide easier. Once everything is down and all your fingers is out and in place, use a microfiber towel. You can always revert back to your black cleaning squeegee, and that'll help clean up any dirt lines that you may have throughout the car.